Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. So today is super fun. There's a collaboration going on. It's hosted by Christina, the DIY mommy, and you can either do a craft or showcase how you organize something. And today I'm going to get busy in the kitchen. So I have a huge gap in between my refrigerator and a little wall, and I put together a little pantry. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I have a little itty bitty teeny tiny kitchen. And it has a big gaping hole right here. So, what I was able to come up with was a little tiny pantry to stick in that little, well, this hole. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so this is what I came up with. A little pull-out pantry. So I got the material actually from my dad's house. It was like leftover stuff that he already had. So that didn't cost me anything. This handle right here I just got from Orchard. It was on sale. It was only like $2. And it matches all of the other ones. So that's pretty cool. And the little rolly things on the bottom, those came from Harbor Freight. And look how much it stores. Isn't that awesome? So yeah, I have all my canned goods in here. It just pulls in and out now. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Frees up a whole lot of storage up here in my cabinets so that I can put other things in. And yeah, so that was what I was able to come up with. Pretty neat, huh? Thank you so much, DIY Mommy, for hosting this collaboration. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration. And please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.